here I am sitting at the laundromat in a tiny little town called Junction, Texas. And this laundromat reminds me of something that I used to go to as a kid with my mom, because we always had to go to laundromats. This place is ginormous. It's living on the road. Sometimes we gotta stop, do laundry. So here I sit, waiting for the wash machines to finish, while James goes out to hunt down some propane and a fuse that he broke on the hitch earlier in the week. Hopefully he'll be able to find that fuse. But this town's so tiny, there's no Lowe's, no Home Depot, just a tiny little True Value store and a Radio Shack. The courthouse is actually across the street from here. There it is. It's tiny. And I haven't had cell service basically for almost the past week in Texas. Verizon, who say they have the best coverage in America, is a big fat liar. James has consumer cellular and he has service, so I've been hopping on his hotspot. But even that is kind of iffy. So yeah, just sitting here doing laundry. We're gonna check out this awesome barbecue restaurant here in Texas. You gotta have Texas barbecue when you're in Texas, so why not in a tiny little town? Come back at you later and let you know how it is. Best barbecue ever, Lum's in Junction, Texas. Sausage, brisket, pulled pork, and all the sides.